مرحبا سيداتي وسادتي. Bonjour madame de monsieur.
Hi family, hi
Jawad,
friends, howdy. How you doing?
Hi guys.
This is Linnea. In Teens with a Movie Camera, we've been working with the idea of community.
Hello, good to see you. How are you doing?
سلام علیکم، چطور هستین؟ شما احوال؟ یه هفته قرار است آخرین هفته تینسون مووی کمرا باشه. بعدش هم یک هفته وقفه و دوباره
I
سال
am excited to
تعلیمی
be back in
مکتب
San
شروع
Francisco.
میشه.
Take my
سلام دوستا، امیدوارم که خوب باشین. سیدی هستم، بعد از چشتتان بخیر. سلام، بعد از چشتتان بخیر. امیدوار هستم که خوب و صحت و سلامت باشین.
And I
you
just
all
want to
very
say
much.
to everyone,
See you soon.
have a good day.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Alright, let's do this. You go up a little bit. You go up a little bit. And you go up. Yeah. Because Charles barely went up. Charles barely went up. So what did I do? I'm gonna call you out. Wait, no, not right now. I'm gonna call you out, alright? 1, 2, 3. Dang, I forgot. I messed it up.
Too fast?
I messed it up. No, that was good though. Cause I got 2. Look.
Alright. Walk back.
Just stand over there.
Yeah.
2, 3, 4. Dang. Man, this gonna take forever. 1, let's go. 2, 3, 4. Done. That's good.
Yo, that's perfect.
That's good.
Soccer practice is sometimes fun and also stressful depending on the weather. Practicing in summer is fun, except for us running to keep our bodies fit, which is really important. I really enjoyed this summer practice session with my teammates because we made it interesting as a team. I'm trying to cherish all the memories we had together in the summer because this is my last year in high school, which I'm going to really miss playing with my teammates. Our coaches always encourage us to build unity among ourselves and win as a team. We played several games in the season, which we had 10 wins, 6 draws, and lost 1. We also won the Syracuse City Cup, which is a great achievement for us, the team, and Nottingham School as a whole. We really trained hard this season and also improved in the fields that will really help the team win this season.
Wow.
I don't know if I can do that one. Sure. No, you do it. Okay, almost.
Hold on. I don't take music.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la.
Just go up a little.
Oh no, you will have the higher one, and you will have like a deep one, and I'm gonna just keep going like. You get it? Like I'm gonna have the same rhythm, but you will have like a deeper. Like no, like a bigger. Yeah, something like that, and then you will have a higher one.
Amazing.
What does word community mean to me? In my opinion, it's a group of people or someone's that support your ideas, appreciate your nice work, and prevent you from bad. Teamwork is what keeps communities strong, and for that we need to know people and understand each other. Spreading love and kindness is another thing that gives everyone strength to live and enjoy their moments. Community is like a garden that becomes pretty and strong by being taken care of.